So here, welcome to Welkin Apartments, right downtown Des Plaines. Look at the beautiful entryway here.
I love it. I mean, as soon as you walk in this place, just good vibes, high ceilings, again, very open. You know, I'm already into it. Let's check out the rest of this place.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go for a quick tour.
Welcome to Welkin Apartments. We're in downtown Des Plaines in a luxury rental building. And we got a really cool tour for you today. It is a beautiful building and just has a good vibe, good feel throughout. So
if you're looking for a luxury space right downtown Des Plaines, next to the train station, next to the library, with a lot of parking options, check out the luxury building, Welkin Apartments at 1425 Ellenwood.
All right, this is what they call the Fireside chat room, amongst other things, but this is something I'm just geeking out about. I think the space is so cool. They've got the outdoor vibe brought inside. They've got the fire effect that we'll show you here in a second. Areas to work, the bar. There's there's games on the other side of the wall here. So they've really thought this out to either entertain the children or get some work done, and doing it in a very cool spot.
Yeah, so if you're looking for a luxury apartment building downtown Des Plaines, I think this is the one right? You have beautiful spaces. If you're looking to work from home or you like to spend time, there's stations here. You can hang out with people. You can make reservations for private parties here as well. So there's a lot of cool common areas that provide this luxury feel to this building.
And when the weather is warm, the pool is right outside of the doors here, so a very cool spot to be able to kind of get yourself or your kids or your company in order, and again, sit down and not even have to mess up your unit, right? You can come here to the common area. So another great great benefit of living in this specific building.
Yeah, and you can meet some cool people that live here too.
Yeah, hey, won't you be our neighbor?
So Fireside chat room, right? You want to sit by the fire?
Yeah, hey, look it, guys, we're gonna show you something pretty neat. You can have the benefit of this cool fire effect and also know that your kids are safe. If you watch this, all right? It's just water vapor.
So water vapor makes a little crackling noise here too, so you can kind of feel like you're sitting right by next to a real fire.
It's pretty neat, and again, it's super safe, so you don't have to worry about the kids coming over here and putting their hands in it, because it's truly water vapor and some light. So just another cool feature, and it's very well thought out as well, so that safety is also on the top of mind.
So in the fire chat room, you have this beautiful bar. So actually, the people that live here, they are getting ready for a big Christmas party right now.
That's a cool point. I mean, just to think about it like that, you might have a smaller unit, but the benefit of having such a cool space like this is if you wanted to have a party, a birthday party, holiday party, you get to use this space, right? And probably just reserve it, right? And just make sure that people know.
Yeah, there's a beer tap here. You can bring your friends, but I think also right after COVID, right, we lost a little bit of the natural touch, right? Living in a bigger building, there's 212 units, a lot of younger people here, right? You can meet some people your age and hang out and make some new connections, some new friendships.
Yeah, whether you're a single person looking to meet somebody or if you're a family looking to connect with other families that are going through the same things, this is a great place to do it. Again, super inviting and just accommodating, it seems like, to all ages. You've got beer taps here and Scrabble in the back, so they've covered all the bases.
Yeah, so check out Welkin Apartments downtown Des Plaines.
Yeah, hopefully we'll see you in the summer by the pool.
So check out this indoor-outdoor cabana.
This is pretty neat.
So you have this garage-style door that opens up. The swimming pool is right over there. This kind of reminds me of this luxury hotels in Vegas where you can rent those spaces and bring your friends. So if you're looking for a really cool party spot, right? Yeah, a couple of those indoor-outdoor cabanas right over here, right next to the pool. I don't think it gets any better than this.
No, again, communal living, I mean, that's kind of the benefit, right, of being in a place like this. You get all these amenities. Don't have to necessarily, take care of all of them, but you get to use this space, to relax, to meet people, just to get out of your unit. They really make it fun to stay right here in the building. So just a super neat space. And they got a little bit of everything. You've got the couches here. You've got the hanging egg chairs, right?
Yeah, and you can watch a football game, right, early in the summer, right? So it's a pretty fun spot. The amenities here are pretty top notch.
They are very well thought out. And if you're looking to have like an active lifestyle, I mean, this promotes getting out of the unit. They've got the workout facilities, a yoga room that we'll show you a little bit later, but very, very cool. Come check it out. It's probably only going to get better as the seasons change to the warmer weather again. All right, now you're joining us in the game room, right?
Right.
What's your favorite part of this game room?
So you have a shuffleboard, you have the dartboard, but I actually like the 3 TVs here. I think like watching a Bears game here with your friends would be pretty fun, right? So there's halftime, a longer break. You can throw a game of shuffleboard, play some darts. The new Chicago Bears Stadium is just gonna be very close that way. So if you don't wanna go to the game and be outside, I think this is a pretty cool spot to watch the games here in the future.
You know, sometimes the best seat for the Bears game is the one at your house, and heck, in between the games, or if it's not such a good game, there's a lot more to do here, including darts, the shuffleboard, like you said. They've got games even here, Cards Against Humanity. If you've ever played that, it's a pretty fun game. But you know, you had mentioned
we'll
something.
We'll play Monopoly later. You know, buy your favorite building.
There you go. More than one. But you had said something earlier I think is very important to mention about, I said, this space is huge, the common area. So did they actually, you know, sacrifice some units by giving this big space?
So definitely, like this builder, when they created this space, they could have had more apartments or units in here, but they decided to provide a luxury feel for the people that are gonna live here. So they sacrificed some units in order to provide a better common areas, more amenities. So when you live here, you have that luxury feel, and you don't have to be cooped in your side of the unit, but you can go out and meet some friends.
Yeah, from the time you walk in this building, I will say this, there is not a space that feels small or like you said, cramped. These are all very big spaces, and you can tell that it was thought out. And you know what, I think it says a lot about you know, the intentions of the building, and you know, making sure that people are happy. You give them more space to get outside of the unit rather than just cramming a bunch of units in here and not having much for people to do.
Yeah, and just imagine meeting some friends that actually like the same football team, and you guys get to hang out here every Sunday. Instead of being home alone, you get to come out and meet new friends.
Absolutely. I think we should try our hand here at some darts.
Yeah, let's go play some cricket.
Okay. Nice. Well, we'll have to perfect our game over time, but it's here and it's available.
How often do you work from home?
Quite often, especially these days.
All right, so if you decide to work from home and you live in this building and you want to be sitting in an apartment all day long, you can come down here, look at those work outpost stations.
Again, nothing in this building is a small cramped space, so a lot of room to accommodate either yourself working from home, and even if you had some team members and you want to have them come here a couple of days a week, the space definitely can accommodate that.
Yeah, so you have a station here, you can do it, close the door, there's a printer, you connect your Wi-Fi, bring your laptop. You can hang out here, do a little conference or Zoom meetings, and you change a little bit of the environment.
Yeah, and again, they have fridges and everything else here to, if you wanted to bring your lunch down, or somebody, again, that doesn't live in the building is coming here to work with you, they can keep their stuff cold. But it just all the amenities are here. It's very nice the way that they've set this up.
Yeah, so if you work from home, consider Welkin Apartments, downtown Des Plaines. They'll help you with your productivity when you work from home.
That's the truth.
Yeah, so check out this gym, right? Pretty cool spot.
I continue to be thoroughly impressed with the size of all of the amenities. This is legitimately a full-blown weight room here. You know, in some buildings you'll have a few, you know, treadmills. Yeah, if you're lucky, you'll have an all-in-one machine like this. But this literally is a full-scale gym to include a yoga studio over there with a Pilates machine, a couple more bikes. I mean, this is incredible.
Yeah, so check out this space if you consider like, hey, I'm trying to move to Des Plaines, I can't find a good gym. If you live here, you have a gym right at home.
That's something to think about too. When you're taking into consideration the monthly cost of living here, you may be able to eliminate a costly gym membership. And again, you're not going to be settling. This is a full-blown gym in here, so you're not going to find this everywhere. You're going to find it here in Des Plaines. This is unique. So whether you're an avid trainer or just somebody who wants to get into healthy living, this building promotes it, from the cabanas by the pool to the full-blown own weight room with a yoga studio, you definitely got to come to Displays and check this
And just
place
look
out.
how new those machines are, because sometimes I go show condos and machines are like 20 years old, right?
It's good quality.
And it's a good quality and they're pretty brand new. It smells nice here. It's a beautiful, like airy space with a lot of windows.
Yeah.
It's a pretty cool spot to work in.
Absolutely. I mean, you're looking at all Nautilus equipment right here. That's, you know, it's very well known. It's a well-known brand in the industry, but you know, it's just, I don't know. I'm super impressed, man. You might find me floating around here because it's very nice. And I love a healthy, you know, active lifestyle. And I think that if you do too, you're going to have a lot of people around you that do the same. So come and check it out.
If you move here, you definitely have to invite Mike for a workout.
Definitely.
Yeah, so we're inside of a 1-bedroom, 1-bath with a den. So if you don't like to work in the common areas and you don't want to have a dining room, you can actually make this room as your private office.
Yeah. Again, these spaces, none of them are small. We're sitting in what, roughly 900 square feet?
Yeah.
So very nice
high ceilings, modern finishes.
Yeah, it's a good vibe here, just all in its entirety. I mean, and you even have a little outside terrace so that you can get out and get some fresh air. So
big windows, so a lot of natural light, right? You're very close to the train station, but with the new windows, you really don't hear the train coming.
Yeah, we've noticed that throughout this building, there's always an attention to getting that natural light in, which is just good for the soul. So again, very well thought out.
So check out some of the units and come for a private tour.
Get yourself in motion. This place is definitely ready for you and that active lifestyle.
So we're inside of the yoga studio. So not only you have the beautiful gym, but you have the full yoga studio here with the echelon machines, echelon mirrors right there, and the hydro machine if you like rowing.
Yeah, these echelon mirrors right here will give you a full-blown workout instruction throughout. So if you don't know if you're intimidated by going and working out, these types of mirror systems here will walk you right through the workout. And I'm truly in love with this place now because they even have a foam roller. This is something I use like 3-4 times a day. But again, the thought that goes into the spaces here, something like this isn't something you're always going to see. But again, it is, if you haven't checked them out, you should. But
and you have a stretch machine, right? So if you're like into golf, you can come here and do your stretching before your next round of golf. So I think this building, the amenities are top notch again.
Yeah, hey, if you're not active right now, come in and check out Displays in this building. You might just find yourself in motion.
So we're inside of the dog run, right? So this building is really pet friendly.
Yeah, they call this happy trails, and I think it makes for a happy owner too, that you don't have to go all the way down to the ground floor to let your dog use the bathroom.
Yeah.
And they even got heaters.
Yeah, so you
over
have
here.
heaters, and I know I wouldn't move without my pet, and when some landlords are more and more restrictive of having pets, this building is pet friendly. You can have a dog up to 70 pounds. There's a pet run right over here, and then we can actually go into a dog spa as well, so we'll show you that next.
Again, take these things into account when you're trying to figure out your monthly budget. Maybe you don't have to take them to the groomer if you want to get them a bath and a blow dry, which we'll show you in this room is available here in the unit. So again, just, you know, what can you actually minus off of your existing monthly budget when thinking how much is it going to cost to live in such a cool place here? And it's very reasonable. So, you know, reach out to us as well about pricing and availability.
So yeah, so for pet owners, I think it'd be one cool building here downtown Des Plaines.
Got to check it out, at least as an option.
So we're inside of the pet spa, right? So how often do you see a building having a pet spa inside, right?
Well, if you're going to be pet friendly, you have to have a spa for the pets.
Right.
This is pretty cool. I mean, you can get your dog right up the stairs in here, wash him down. They even provide soap unless you wanted to bring your own specialized soap for your dog. And then over here,
it's a big blow dryer, right? So a big vacuum, you can clean your dog. Like one of my dogs sheds a lot, so I'll definitely appreciate having that, right? So again, if you're a pet owner, a pretty cool spot here in Welkin Apartments.
Yeah, or if you got kids and they're just too dirty, maybe you could throw them in there. You know,
soccer practice.
Yeah, hose them down, whatever.
Yeah, so for all pet owners, come check it out, bring your dog. I think it's a pretty cool spot here downtown Des Plaines.
Heck, this might even be the reason why you end up getting a dog. Just saying, and they're making it easy to be a pet owner here, so come and check them out. All right, Mike, come on in. We're now here at the lookout point on the 7th floor. Tell us a little bit about what we have here in the room.
So this area is designed especially for the people that like to work from home. I know sometimes when you sit in your apartment all day, you can go like stir crazy in front of your laptop, right? So there's a beautiful lounge out here on the 7th floor, beautiful natural light. There's a full kitchen, big table. So if you want to just get away a little bit and you don't want to walk outside, you can bring your laptop here. The Wi-Fi still works and you can work from home right right over here.
If you're someone like me, you might even want to just bump into some other people and just get a change of scenery. So very cool that they have this available. If you wanted to bring your lunch, warm it up, or even do the dishes before you went back, everything's here. It's like a full-blown, just kitchenette where everybody can share.
Yeah, let me show you the views right outside.
Let's go check it out.
Yeah, so we're in the lookout point outside. Again, we're in the northwest corner. You can come out here in the summer, work from home, and you have a beautiful view of the skyline or northwest suburbs.
Yeah, this is a great amenity to have, whether you're just trying to get some fresh air or, again, another new perspective. Very neat to have an outdoor space with apartment living.
Yeah, it's a cool spot. You can see the train station here, the downtown Des Plaines area. It's a beautiful view of the skyline here.
Yeah, it's nice to have, Walgreens as a convenience store right there. I believe that there's a library close by. It's nice to have the outside amenities available too. So very cool spot.
So this is actually a pretty nice building. It's brand new. It was built just last year. So there's a lot of units here. It's about 212 units. But look at the nice white hallways. You can bring your furniture in. It's pet friendly too.
And I love the fact that the lock system here is so convenient, even for a realtor to show the units, but you can access your unit from your phone, right?
Yeah, so you utilize the latch app and you have the key fob as well, and you can go right in. All the common areas are easy accessible.
Hey, any convenience is a benefit, no doubt. And I love the fact that they have the dog grooming area on the third floor. Also, you can have your pet relief area, right? You can let your dog out and go to the bathroom.
Yeah, dog run.
Yeah, and wash them on the way in, give them a little blow dry.
So let's see that next. So if security is important for you, this building has an amazing security system.
Yeah, from the time we walk through the front door, you have to scan, your personalized code, right, to get into the building.
Right.
If you're a resident. If you're not, you have to register, let them know who you are. And it also even states that you have to have a federally issued ID to even take a tour. So they're definitely keeping your safety in mind. Once you get past the front door, we've also got another system before you can even go up to the unit.
Yeah, so you have a latch, the app that you can open the unit door. You have a key fob, or you can also have the code on your phone. So if you forgot your keys, you're definitely not going to be locked out.
And that also means if there's any turnover in residence, they can immediately switch that code on the latch app. So if that person no longer lives here, no issue with somebody, popping in and saying hello. So very cool to be, just to have that safety.
So if your security and safety is top of mind for you, this building definitely has it. So come check it out, all the safety features here, and we would like to invite you for a private tour.
Yeah, come check us out today. Welkin Apartments, luxury apartments.
So one of the benefits of living in Welkin Apartments, the leasing staff is here at the building. So if you decide this is a spot for you that you want to rent, you can come in, apply, and you're going to get a decision within the next couple minutes.
You could be moving in here as quickly as, today. Come and check out Welkin Apartments.
So let's go for a quick tour. Let us show you upstairs.
Well, Mike, Welkin Apartments definitely did not disappoint. Hopefully you guys enjoyed looking around here at this luxury building. It really does have something for everybody.
Yeah, so not only the great location, right downtown Des Plaines, convenient for transportation with the Metra stop right nearby, some of the cool restaurants nearby as well. Have beautiful, renovated, new spaces, right? So feel fresh. Come check everything out, and I hope you enjoyed the tour today.
We'll talk to you soon. Don't forget though, subscribe, and don't keep us a secret. Share this with friends and family that may want to consider downtown Des Plaines.